Okay. So, this one's for para sa mga asawa ng seaman, because me myself, I'm also a seafarer. So, yeah. If ever na yung pong mga mister nyo o yung mga seaman nyo tells you that they want to do business, don't stop them. Or if they want to venture in something, don't stop them. Instead, supportahan niyo po sila. You know why? The reason why they're thinking about doing business is because they know for the fact that itong trabaho namin as seafarer or as seaman is hindi permanente. Sa oras po na nagkakaedad na kami, sa oras po na hindi na namin naipapasa yung medical, for sure, mahihirapan kami bumalik ng barko. Especially this pandemic days. This pandemic days is very challenging. Na kahit naipapasa mo pa yung medical mo, kahit okay ka na lahat, nahihirapan pa rin. May barko, yes, maraming barko. Maraming kumpanya, yes, maraming kumpanya. Ang problema is the crew change, right? So, hindi basta-basta mag-crew change ngayon. So, ganyan kahirap ang pagiging seaman ngayon. So, if your husbands, yung mga seaman nyo, is trying to venture a business, or you wanna do a business, wag nyo pong kontrahin. Suportahan nyo po ang inyong mga seaman.